Hello and welcome back to Market Updates with the Daily Sniper. If you watched my video last night, you guys had a phenomenal green day. I gave you guys free money trades, and just like yesterday, towards the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you another free money trade. The Daily Sniper community Discord ended up capitalizing on the best trade today. I'm going to be going over what I saw and how I exited my trade, as well as preparing you guys to trade the best setups at the best prices. So, first things first, every single morning in the Daily Sniper community, guys, we usually have a pre-market live stream, okay? We make our predetermined trading plans. We know our entries, we know our exits, and you know what I did today? All I did is posted the link. This morning's pre-market live stream, I posted the link to last night's video. I'm like, this is what I'm doing. We don't need to talk any further. I'm playing the confirmation. These are the levels I'm trading, and that is it. Now, look at this, okay? Let's go over the first level I gave you guys, 516. My level is 515.93. I said, if we end up creating a support and a floor at 516, it's an empty pocket, 5.5 points up to 520.85. And look what it did in the pre-market, right? These are the type of levels I give out in the Discord. These levels work perfectly. You buy the support, you sell the resistance. Obviously, we couldn't take this trade because it was in the pre-market. Now, let's look at to where we opened. I told everyone as soon as I hopped on live stream, the only levels you're trading today is 520.85, 515.93, and 524. Do not take one trade if it's not one of these levels. We ended up opening up. We broke through our key level, 520.85, the previous resistance, right? Pre-market resistance right there. Broke through it, came back down to retest. I knew from looking at the 30-minute chart that we were making higher highs and higher lows, right? Since yesterday's lows. And we had an hour and a half of bullish 30-minute candles. So I knew we're not going to just dump, right? Now let's go look at the 5-minute time frame. We ended up breaking through this level. As soon as we came back down to retest our support of 520.85, the previous resistance, I bought this red candle. I bought 520 same-day calls, and I bought 521 April 25th Friday's expiry calls as well. And I ended up making a very good amount of money today, right? I made 5 figures on the day today trading my trading plan. It went from 520.85 to 529, a 9-point run up from trading our confirmation and trading our game plan, our trading plan, right? We have a trading plan. We wait for the confirmation, double wick support. The rest is history, okay? Now, if you stuck along to this video till right now, I'm going to give you guys another free freaking money trade, okay? Are you guys ready? Look at the channel that we're currently trading at. Look at these two red lines, okay? We got 527.50, 525.50, and 524. The bearish case scenario, I'm going to give you the bearish case scenario first because we're in a very uncertain market right now. Anything could happen, so I'm going to give you guys the bearish case scenario, okay? If we reject 524, 3 points down to the previous support of today, 520.85, okay? Say we end up having a big gap down or you miss your entry. It's okay. We're going to buy puts at 521. Don't get it twisted. I don't care if we're trading at 527 right now. I'm going to be buying puts at 521. If we start seeing some weakness at 520.85, I'm going to enter puts again. And where's my price target? Price target, 516, right? Look at that. That's a 5-point move. Empty pocket to the downside. So now the bears are covered. Okay, you guys know you see weakness at 524, 3 points down puts, right? You sell your puts at support. You start seeing some weakness, we break through it, come up, we're developing weakness, you get puts again, home run play, okay? Now, bullish case scenario. This is what I first like to do. I like checking the higher time frames first, okay? Now, let's look at the higher time frames. So, we ended up having a higher high, higher low, lower high, higher high. So, and we're still in a sloping resistance trend line at the moment, okay? So, what are the levels to be watching at? We have a gap to fill, okay? Actually, we filled this gap, but a good level to be watching at is the high of these two candles from April 15th, right, and April 14th. That ends up being approximate 544 level, 545 level, okay? Until then, Look, you see my mouse? You see this vertical line right here? Put your mouse up, right? Try to connect as most wicks and touch as much candles as possible. 535. And that is one of our big key levels, okay? So now we know the most bullish case scenario, 535, is going to be a profit target. So the previous resistance of today, 528.27. Keep this in mind, okay? We hold 528.27 support. We're rocketing to 531. If we hold 531 support, we're rocketing 4.5 points up to 535.50. Watch, pause your chart right now, put these levels down, right? I'm going to get rid of this 533.88. So pause the screen, 535.58, and now enter this pocket, 530.71 and 528.27. This is our pocket. This is the U-turn level, and as you could tell, it worked perfectly today. Everything was bullish. We get to the U-turn level, and it goes back down, right? So, which means if we end up holding support of this channel, we are going to rocket 7.5 points up to 535.58. And listen, if you don't get your opportunity to buy at 528.27, don't worry about it. We're either going to break through this and retest, and guess what? If we don't retest it, we're going to fly right to 530.71. And guess what? This is where I'm buying calls. You see that? Imagine dipping down and buying calls at the high of day. I know what the hell I'm doing. I'm playing the confirmation, a bullish 30-minute confirmation candle through 530.71. I'm buying 530 calls. I'm going to go safe too, like a few days out, because I want to hold for this, baby. I want to keep milking this market. I've been doing so, and I'm very blessed. I've been doing very, very well lately, and these are the levels. These big empty pockets is when I make most of my money, right? I made my empty pocket money this morning, and I plan on doing it up here too. And that's the bullish case scenario. Remember this pocket, 530.71 and 528.27. Beneath 530.71, I am bearish. I'm looking for puts in this pocket because this is a big resistance level. If we break out and we start forming a support, I'm bringing 530 calls disgustingly in the money. So I gave you guys a couple free money trades. Bullish case scenario, bearish case scenario. Do not worry if we're at 530.71 and it looks bullish. We dip down and we have a strong move up here. You're still call focused. You're call focused unless we dip back beneath a 528.27. Okay? And this is where you're buying calls, and this is where you're taking profits. Okay? This channel right here is a bearish channel unless we hold its support. Why do we know it's bearish? How do we know it's bearish? All we got to do is look left, right? Previous support was this channel. Okay? Now let's look at today. Previous resistance of this channel. If we hold its support, we're going to go end up in the upper channel. We hold here support, boom. Now, say the market it opens up in the 522 levels, okay? First reaction, I'm looking for 524 to 525.50, the previous resistance, right? It was a resistance for a long time. We kept breaking through it without retesting. So 525.50 is still a resistance. If we see weakness between 525.50 and 524, I'm going to get puts 4 points down. And this is my price target, 520.85. Why would I sell here when we can go here? Because I sell at support, right? I sell at support. I buy, and that's exactly how we do it, okay? You need to sell out of support, and you need to short the resistance until proven otherwise, right? This is why I use the 5-minute time frame mixed in with the 30-minute time frame mixed in with the daily time frame. And guess what? SPY has been breaking through levels without retesting. Today just so happened to be picture freaking perfect. The levels that I'm giving you guys, I'm giving away you guys this for free, okay, on YouTube. All you got to do is just like these videos, guys, and comment. Tell me your trading plan. Tell me if you made some money in the comments below, and I will continue to providing you guys wicked setups. No one does it like I do it. I can promise you that. We got stats to prove that. And that's it, guys. I gave you a bullish case scenario, bearish case scenario, and this is what we do. We make money, guys. So enough talking. If you made money from yesterday's video, you know what's up. As I said before, win with us or watch us win. Thank you guys so much for watching these videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see everybody in the Daily Sniper Discord tomorrow morning. Thank you guys so much. Take care.